inside. All is set now, ready to race. And the race is on. Marigold, Brody outside, rushing up his jet prop. And moving up by the rail cannon wheel. And Dr. Jude racing in third, rushing up JB's Godfather, D of Jade. Alongside is I Remain. Rounding the far turn, jet prop, cannon wheel, moving up by the rail. JB's Godfather racing in third by some 6 lengths. Dr. Judy of Jade. And moving up Princess Erica and Dugus Pet as they race the final corner. Cannon wheel by some 3 lengths. Jet prop is running in second. Dr. Judanori inside is Princess Erica. Incorruptible is moving up by the rail and Dugus Pet. And during the finish line, cannon wheel, Dr. Jude, Dugus Pet is already also Incorruptible. And finally, cannon wheel, Incorruptible, Dugus Pet, Dr. Jude, Close, 7A, Fearless, and Princess Erica.